Namaste and welcome back, and I hope you all are fine and safe. And I'm going to create today's video in English so that it is understandable to everyone. If you are watching my videos for the first time, my name is Bindu Paudel and I'm residing in Suzhou of China with my husband, and I generally create travel vlogs and the videos related to the beautiful places of China. So if you are pretty much interested in traveling and watching the beautiful places of China, you can just subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. So if you have already subscribed, thank you so much, and I'm just creating the video in English so that it is understandable to everyone. So please don't judge my English, it is not that perfect. I will just try my best to interpret everything to you in English. By the title itself, like, you have already understand today's video, what today's video gonna be about. Today's video will be about my apartment tour and I'm pretty much excited. Yeah, actually I'm creating this video today because I just want to show you guys how the owner of the apartment has utilized everything and adjusted within a room. Basically, where I live, the new apartment where we came like 2 months ago, this is the single room apartment, and I love the way how the owner has utilized every corner and created a small, like, divided the small kitchen, small bedroom area, right? That so this video might be helpful to you also. So yeah, let's start the video without any delay. Guys, this is our main door and I just entered from this door, and as soon as we enter inside, in the right hand side there is a fire extinguisher. Actually there are 3 fire extinguishers. 2 are here and we haven't opened it yet, and 1 is there, and there are few emergency stuff, maybe like torchlight and maybe the mask to wear during the fire, maybe, I think like that. I haven't opened it yet, and they provided us this. Actually the owner of this apartment has given us this, and I believe that every home should at least have these elements so that in case of emergency we can easily use them. So, and just here there are few of our random stuff we have placed like this, like randomly, and here are cute dolls. Actually I'm fond of gathering dolls, and this was given to me by my husband, and the small cute dolls. And actually this is made of clay, guys, and this was created by myself. Before few months I used to study Chinese in university, and at that time I joined pottery class and I created this. I have written my name also, I think. Yeah, I think it is visible to you guys also. I have written my name here, and this also I created at that time, this pot also, clay pot, but one of the leaves has already fallen down. And here are my Chinese books, I study them sometime. And we have kept the mask packet over here, and sanitizer, hand sanitizer is also there. Yeah, this is really essential to place it here so that we can utilize before leaving, going outside and after coming from outside. And this one I created myself using the unused, like, a mirror was broken, and I have utilized that broken part, downward part, and made this. And here is our shoes rack, guys. We have placed our shoes over here, and just in front of this there is our washroom area. This is our washroom area, and inside is our washroom. The corner there is washing machine, and we take shower inside this. And this is our washroom, and here is a very long huge wardrobe. Look at this, guys. And yeah, this is, like, I love this part because we can put our everything. Like, we have placed our clothes, we have kept our unused clothes, like winter clothes, and currently it is summer here, so we have placed our winter clothes there, and also some blankets in the upper part, and in downward part we have kept some necessary elements for home, like tissue paper and other various things. And as I told you already, I am very fond of gathering dolls. There are also two dolls, you can see those. And this one was actually given by my best friend, Japanese friend Masumi. Yeah, she's in Japan right now, and yeah, I hope I can see her soon. She will come China once again, and maybe I create some video with her also. And this is our bed area, guys, and it is written happy day. Yeah, every day is a happy day, right? So I had placed happy day. Actually, this was the decoration that is from my husband's birthday. It was happy birthday, but I removed birth and I kept happy day only. Isn't it amazing? So yeah. And I love the way how the owner has separated each and every part. Like, there is the washroom, and here is the bed area, and here next part is like a living room. Like, we can sit comfortably here in the sofa, and we can watch television there. And I have kept some photographs also, family photographs there. And this downward part is my studying area. I love to sit down and I study here. And this is a cute flower bouquet, and I have kept in the pretty flower pot. There is one more flower, and I love this. And you guys might be curious, why is there stand fan? There is AC also, guys, but I don't prefer to use AC all the time. I don't know why, but I feel like allergic to AC. If I use all the time, I feel like sick. So I use stand fan sometime, and whenever I feel very hot, then I open AC also. And there are again some dolls over here. And this one, guys, I love greenery. Yeah, this one is the money plant, and when we arrived to this apartment 2 months ago, you can't believe, guys, like what was the condition of this plant. It was like in a state that it won't grew again, but I believe that with proper love and care, everything will change. So this one has turned so beautiful and pretty by I kept watering and I took proper care of this, and now this is like this. And there is our freeze, and again there are some plants. I love plants, guys. And this is our freeze, and there are some, yeah, this one we bought it when we were in London. We bring it from London, all these things, all these magnets. And that corner is our kitchen. This is our kitchen area, guys. It is quite small, but for 2 people it is enough, I think. We can cook properly over here. And there are few drawers in the upper part to put our kitchen stoves. And I have placed few of them there also. It is quite messy, guys. Let it be like that. And this part also, and I have utilized here placing our like breakfast items. Most of them are like muesli and oats, like that. And here is chia seed. I bought it 3 days ago, and I heard a lot about this in YouTube, and some of my friends also told me about this, so I have used this one. I have bought it and I will try this. And this is the honey, guys. I love to use honey in oats and other stuffs. And here are few avocados that I bought yesterday. And there are other some stuffs, like I have kept them randomly. And like I could not show you anything from here because of the sunlight. It is so harsh, guys. It is too. Again, here is also a green plant. And this side, I have already shown you this side. Now it's the time to see the front side of our apartment. Yeah, there are some clothes we can hang here and leave it to dry. And this one is the front part of our apartment. Whenever I feel bored, like I sit here and I observe outside. Today the temperature is I think 36 I think, and so it is very hot outside. And here is my small temple, guys. I know wherever we go we should never forget our culture, traditions and customs. And I have placed the photograph of few god and goddesses, and I have created a small temple here. I worship early morning here. And guys, I forget to show the down part, and it is pretty much interesting. We can even count the cars and vehicles from here. No, I was just kidding, but yeah, I can easily see the vehicles from here. Guys, if you love the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and have a great time and stay safe. Bye bye. Love you all.